Hey guys, welcome back. Took out the radiator on the 580. Damage, ripped a hole right in it. Drored the shaft, the fan's garbage. But as I take the radiator off, guess what I find in one of the corn hoses? One of the caps that go on the radiator. Like that. I'm surprised this thing did not blow up or overheat with that like that. But yeah. Took a nice gouge out of the radiator. And it's all because there isn't these top brackets. There's nothing to go back to here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build like a bracket, two of them this way, mount them to the firewall. So if something hits it from the front, the radiator can't do that like it done twice now. This will be the third radiator going in this thing less than 5 years. So once that's like that, if something hits it, it'll just stay like that, and versus going like that and then pushing into the fan and the fan destroying it. Because I mean, it's gonna be like a $500 to all the way up to $1,500 is in parts, and that's not including labor. But yeah, it's ready to go. Gonna probably paint the exhaust. The muffler, maybe. I don't know. But maybe put some hydraulic fluid in it and change the filters and oil. But yeah, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment if you haven't already. Share the videos, and let me know in the comments what you think of this whole situation. Catch you on the next one.